Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys, and today we're going to be installing the JB4 the easy way into your Mercedes C63. There is a hard way that I'm going to put the link below on how to install it through the JB4 PDF file, but I'm going to do it the simpler way because I don't really like to do everything so hard to install. But anyways, hit that intro. So if you guys don't already know, I'm installing a burger tuning JB4 on my Mercedes C63 2015. It's not an S, but on the Mercedes C63 W205, and I'm going to be installing a JB4 without going the hard way through the firewall. We're going to go through the fender and the door, and then we're going to connect to the harness. All right, so let's go. All right, guys, so what we're going to do is now we're going to run this this connector comes from the OBD to the JB4 unit. This allows you to see all the parameters and stuff. This is very important, crucial, very crucial. I like this part. Anyways, I'm gonna go there's a hard route going this way. I'm not doing that, so just check the Burger Tuning website. I believe they have an install guide on how to do it, or I'm now gonna put the PDF below on how to do that. But I'm gonna go the easier way, which may be not that easy, but I'm gonna get it done because Boost always tries to get this stuff done. And once again, hit the like button if you're new to my channel and you do want to check out this JB4 for the Q50 Q60 for their Mercedes C63. So if you take a look, you see that little black portion right there? That black portion is this. Let me open the door, show you guys. It's this I would say this weather stripping or rubber stripping. So what we're gonna do is, you see, we're gonna pretty much get a flat head. I don't have a flat head now. It's probably clipped in or something like that. Or we can actually work our way probably through this way. And what we're gonna do is this, see? You see how we can route it? Let me see if I could pull some of this stripping down. Take a look, bear with me. Doing this all on camera with you guys for the first time. So you see how we can route it? See those different spaces we can route it? Some people would say they don't want to route, they don't want to remove this stripping because when the water runs, the water may be able to run inside the car. But even if the water comes in this way, once this is sealed, the water is just going to drip this way. I don't see it really pooling and getting inside the car because all this is still outside the car. So I don't really see it as much of an issue. But if you guys take a look, we can either come through the top there, by the yellow thing, or we can go through here, this bottom area here, but that might be a little bit harder because I know there's a little hole there, but we can give that a shot. And wait, that is actually the area we want to go. All right, so let's go. Let's grab the harness. All right, it's the harness. We're gonna start feeding it through here. See? Start feeding it through there. Shouldn't be too hard to feed it through here. Oh, it actually is to do it on camera. I'm trying to do it on camera because, you know, I like to keep everything authentic. Once again, guys, if you are new to this channel, please check out my channel for my Boost in Motion uploads and everything like that. Bear with me. I know the camera might be a little shaky. I'm not one of those big YouTubers who sit there and get a whole tripod and all that other extra stuff. But I'm struggling it a little bit, but now I got it through. I'm gonna keep pushing some wire, some slack in with it, and let me show you how it look. Okay, let's go move to the other side. See where it is now? See, right there, came right through. All right, and we're gonna start pulling that stuff through, and I'm gonna leave a little slack out, and then we're going to just remember this stuff is right under here. You're gonna click that in with this now. Wait, hold on. Yeah, you're gonna click this in. You're gonna click this in with this now. You're gonna click it in properly. Pay attention to orientation and tape everything up. All right, give me a second. All Alright, so now that we have that stuff clipped in, you look for the... Damn, I don't even know where the OBD is for this car. Okay, OBD is right here. Oops. OBD is right here. Okay, you clip that in. Turn it around. And voila. JB4 is officially installed. Alright, so now you have everything set up on the app, right? What we're going to do right now is you're going to go to the app store on your iPhone or Android, and you're going to download the JB4 app. It should be like $27.99. Even though I had a account already for my Q60 and Q50, I would have to delete the information, and I don't want to have to do that all the time. So I'm just going to do it on my iPhone, and I'm going to create that app, create my account that I already created for this specific car, and I'm going to connect everything. So just give me a couple of seconds. Now it's linked. It's connecting back with the JB4, and boom, we are in there. Cool, we are in there. So we are officially JB4 technically tuned. Just want to show you guys a couple of the stuff that how I usually set up the JB4 map. This is also an install video for how to put it in easy, but you know, let's just put it in both of them. So we're just gonna quickly look at the RPMs and make sure that they're right. Analog is saying about 700. Here, let me see load. No, load's not really picking up anything yet. All right, at this current moment, guys, we're officially basically you know, JB4 tuned. So shout out to Burger Tuning again. Check the link below to all the Burger Tuning information site to purchase your own JB4 for your Mercedes C63. It has the M16, M177, M178. This depends on the Mercedes vehicle you have. Also, you know, I've been banging with Burger Tuning for a while, since the Infinity days, and I still do bang with them on my new tuned Infinity Q63.0T. So definitely check that out. I still stack that with, even though I'm already tuned and everything already. But sorry guys for making this video so long and corny and everything like that. But we're gonna leave this at this current moment just the way it is. Let me see. Yeah, right now we're gonna leave this the way it is. I'm gonna just put it to map. And we're going to start making a separate video on quickly data logging the car, and we're going to quickly data log the car in map 0 just so I can learn the amount of PSI that this car runs on. And then from there, we're going to start playing with map 1, map 2, and just see what the drivability will be for the car. But outside that, guys, I appreciate you guys so much. If you want to tap in with me, tap in me at Boost Emotion on IG, Facebook, and boostemotion@gmail.com. Otherwise than that, guys, I appreciate you so much. Thank you, Burger Tuning, for this opportunity. Hopefully, we can make plenty of videos with dragging these BMW owners. Outside that, guys, you have a good day. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost Emotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.